Hi, I'm Alastair McCaig, one of the analysts here at IG. And I'm going to talk to you today about the Royal Mail's IPO. Now, IG have been running a grey market on this IPO for several weeks now, and this can be found by looking at the navigation tool, looking right down at the bottom under specials, and then the Royal Mail IPO. IG clients have predominantly been shown buying interest in this and currently value the potential IPO around about that £2.8 to £2.9 billion level, just a touch lower than the general market consensus of £3 billion. This IPO will be running until the first day that the stock goes unconditional. I guess there are a few things we should really consider when we look at the potential IPO of the Royal Mail. This is a relatively unique situation, as the Royal Mail has a monopoly of written post as far as the UK is concerned. However, there is an open market for the second part of their business, which is the delivery of parcels. Now, consumer demographics has shifted somewhat over the last number of years, and certainly the retail market has seen the brunt of this. The likes of companies such as ASOS and Amazon have led the way as far as online shoppers are concerned, and therefore delivery of these goods to their home destinations. We have seen a migration across the board, not just in these sort of market leaders, but I think the other firms as well have been catching up. So this is definitely a growth market. The difference here, of course, is that the Royal Mail doesn't have a monopoly on parcels. It's quite a vibrant market there. I guess there is another issue to consider, and that's the VAT side of things. At present, the Royal Mail is not subjected to VAT, which currently stands at 20%. You would imagine it won't be too long before some of its competitors draw this to the attention of either the EU or other parties and see if they can't get this rectified. So that might be some of their market share eaten into there. And then the sort of big issue in the background, of course, whenever it comes to the Royal Mail and government firms effectively going on to become listed, is unions. And this is obviously highlighted by the fact that the Royal Mail unions are currently meeting with a proposal of potentially going on strike in the not too distant future. In an effort to try and sidestep this issue, it is proposed that Royal Mail staff will be entitled to 10% of the floated company and shares in with. That accounts to roughly about £2,000 per worker. Certainly could be, assuming of course that goes out at £3 billion, that should hopefully be enough to maybe dissuade some of those more critical members of staff. For all of this and further analysis, please go to IG's website, www.ig.com. Have a good day.